Are you that person that pushes someone over the edge unknowing? Well, the Bible teaches the importance of thinking before we speak, using wisdom and love to guide communication. Verses like Proverbs 16 verses 23 and 15 verses 28 emphasize that intelligent and righteous people consider their words, which makes them more persuasive and healing, while the foolish speak carelessly, leading to trouble. This includes being mindful that words can hurt like a sword and should be seasoned with grace and not anger. There's a lot of power in our words, and I learned that on Facebook in uncertain terms. Words have power. Careless or foolish words can cut like swords and cause strife, while wise words can bring healing. Avoid mistakes. Pausing before speaking helps avoid saying things that can lead to regret, sin, or foolishness. Ecclesiastes warns, the more you talk, the more likely you are to say something stupid. Fulfilling God's law. As Christians, speech should be motivated by love, which is the fulfillment of the law. Speech should promote good and be seasoned with salt to know how to answer each person appropriately. We don't know what that person is going through at that moment in their life, and we could just push them over the edge and think we're doing them a favor. Meantime, we're doing them a great injustice. Have a great day.